afternoon, so we're out at the property today. Came to check on the deer stand, make sure that it's stable, and it looks like it did good in the wind. We got to restock the deer feeders and put the trail cams back out. Also, I wanted to add some solar battery chargers to these feeders while we're out here. So that's what we're going to be working on today and doing some other. I'm trying to cut down some of the pressure in that, and we'll keep you guys part of it as we go through it. Thank you. Hey guys, so I think we're finished with everything that we're going to do today. We have refilled the feeders. I tried to set up a solar panel on one of them, but the barrel, the gauge of it is just too thick for me to get it in, so I'm going to have to figure out something else for that. I'll just come out with some more batteries the next time. We got the trail cameras up, and we got some, I got some solar powered green hunting lights that I'm going to try out. I was going to face those towards the blind, but I didn't know how it was going to look if I was facing the deer feeder to put something down. So I got them facing away at this point. And these are the boys. This is Ryan, my youngest son. Say hi, Ryan.
Hi.
And that's my big boy, Robert Dwayne Perry II. And they're out helping today. And we'll take you around, man. We'll go inside the blind and see what's going on there and close it down, and then we'll start heading back towards Houston.